it's Skylar back at Skyman Creates. Today we're going to make a peanut butter mug cake. Stick around to find out how to make this sweet treat. The ingredients you need for your peanut butter mug cake is oil, any kind, milk, flour and sugar, peanut butter, Hershey's cocoa, baking powder, salt, vanilla, a peanut butter cup. You'll also need a mug, 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, and something to cut up your peanut butter cup with. If you're ready, let's create. The first step you'll need is 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, you'll need 3 tablespoons of milk. Then you'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Last, you'll need a tablespoon of peanut butter. I would use a spoon to scoop it out of your jar. And put it in your tablespoon. And then we'll whisk it together for about 30 seconds. Oh, I almost forgot. We have to add some sugar. We're going to need to add 2½ tablespoons of sugar. And make sure each of them are level, because in baking you have to be very, very precise. 2½. And that'll be all for the first step. Now for your second step, you will need 3 tablespoons of flour. Then you will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you will need about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So all you have to do is sprinkle a little in your hand and sprinkle a little at a time. Then you'll mix again. Oh, I almost forgot to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Then you'll add 2 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you'll start mixing again for about 30 seconds. So I've cut up my peanut butter cup and sprinkle some of your peanut butter cup into your mug. Mix and this is what yours will look like. Take out your whisk, tap it on the side if you have to, then put in the microwave for 65 seconds. Make sure you take it out of a pot holder. Take it out with the pot holder because it might be hot. And this is what it should look like after. When you take some out, make sure you blow on it. To me, it really tastes like a brownie, and it's like creamy and it's really tasty. So make sure you try it at your house. Have adult supervision too. All right, see you next time. Bye. If you like this video and you want more, like and subscribe to this channel. Keep on creating. Bye.